This video explains how to enter MAC keys into your Genmega ATM. MAC stands for Message Authentication Code, and basically it's an additional master key set used to encode messages between the ATM and the host. This allows the host to verify that each transaction message is coming from the ATM with that MAC key set. While new to the US for retail ATMs, MAC encryption has been used in Canada and other countries for a long time. Moving to this system should provide substantial protection against man-in-the-middle style attacks. Installing MAC keys will require an additional set of key envelopes to be programmed at the ATM. This first needs to be coordinated with your host or transaction processor. In most cases, when upgrading to MAC keys, your processor will also require that a new set of master keys be installed, in addition to the MAC keys. Otherwise, programming MAC keys is almost identical to the master key loading process. If you're not familiar with this process or you've never entered master keys, please watch our master key video before proceeding. There's a link in the video description. To begin, enter the operator function menu using the master password. Go to Host Setup, then choose Key Management. Now enter your master key or secure mode passwords to access the key management menu. To add MAC keys, you'll first need to change the key mode. Press Key Mode and then choose TMAC TDES. The key mode setting in the key management menu should now update. To enter the MAC keys, go to Edit Key. On this screen, you'll have two options at the bottom of the screen for entering each part of the MAC key set. If you are having to re-enter new master keys, in addition to the MAC keys, it does not matter which keys you enter first. You can overwrite your original master keys on the index where they were first programmed, or you can enter them on a new index. Choose MAC Key Part A to enter the first key set. Note that you do not have to enter an index for MAC keys. Those keys are always stored on index 15. Now, you just enter these keys like you would master keys. The first key on the envelope goes in the top line, and the second key goes on the bottom line. When you finish entering both keys for Part A, you'll get a checksum. Compare this to the envelope and make sure the key was entered correctly. Now you can proceed to the second key, or Part B. Once that's entered, you'll get another checksum value to compare with the envelope. Now, when you back out of the key management screen, you should see a checksum for the combined value of both keys. If these checksum values do not match, you'll need to work that out before attempting a transaction. Try re-entering the envelopes, or you can always reset the keypad and start from scratch. If after entering a new key set, you see pound signs or asterisks in the checksum field, please check out our video titled Master Key Entry Error. When you back out of the menu, the ATM will connect and the host will verify the keys. If you do get an error, check with the host and make sure that those envelopes were properly bound to the terminal ID number for that ATM. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please contact Genmega support.